Hello everyone, welcome to Stockseers. Today, we're going to analyze the Visa stock. As you all know, it's a company with quite good profitability, decent growth potential, and cash flow. So let's begin our analysis. What strikes me about this stock is the abundance of negative divergences. For instance, look here. While the price is making horizontal or rising peaks, the RSI is making descending peaks, which we call negative divergence. Another example here. And here. It's made so many negative divergences in the past year. Now looking at its current state, I see another negative divergence here. And of course, that's not a good sign. This stock is calling for a correction. It shows a nice support, but also a rising diagonal. Rising diagonals also call for corrections. Let's draw the top resistance. Actually, a nice cup is forming. Breakouts at the top are important, but it's natural for the stock to want confirmation from the level it broke, and that would be a great buying point. We have to draw every significant resistance because these will be targets and correction levels. Let's extend the resistance to here. If you like our analysis so far, please like video and subscribe for support us. Let's also use Fibonacci retracement to see the correction levels. We usually use 0.618 as a correction level, and it comes to $251 here. This is also the horizontal resistance level we draw. The Fibonacci indicates $251. Let's draw a reaction from here. And then the target of the drop, which is $251. This correction type is called Elliott zigzag correction. And as I said, we generally expect it to come up to Fibonacci 0.618. Let's switch to the weekly period. Actually, a nice trend, and it's clear what it's trying to do. Again, we're drawing to find the main trend of the stock. The correction level we expect is $251, which has now also become a stronger support. Let's put the channel resistance. And of course, from inside to outside resistance. This resistance always tells very important things. Look for this in every chart you analyze and in every period. I always remind how important this is. Let's put the target of the cup at the top. It's come from inside to outside resistance, and I'm not surprised at all. Let's draw something here. $355, a little confirmation, and to the channel resistance. It looks around $580. Let's go back to the daily. In fact, let's draw the small correction we're expecting in white. I see a gap here. Maybe it will say something important. Let's also draw that. It fits my imagined pattern perfectly. To summarize, a correction to $251, then a wave to $355. Some small fluctuations around here. And a target around $580 or $590. There's a scenario in the technicals of stocks. If you understand this scenario correctly, you will enjoy making money from that stock. And as you learn these scenarios, you'll see that other stocks progress similarly with similar scenarios. As your scenario repertoire expands, this job will get easier for you and your success rate will rise rapidly. Our analysis ends here. See you in another analysis. If you liked our video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to support the channel.